Guys, this is Mayuddin. In this video, I will show you how to SSH into your Amazon EC2 Linux instance if you have lost the SSH key pair. So let's get started. So first of all, let me just launch a new EC2 instance. Let's name this one as demo. So the default AMI is Amazon Linux 2. We will keep it as it is. In the instance type, I will select C6A. You can have any type of instance, it does not matter. So here is the important thing, guys. Please remember that in the key pair I am selecting WordPress EFS. Okay. And in the security group, let me just select temp. This security group allows all type of traffic into our server, that is HTTP, HTTPS, SSH, etc. Okay, so in the volume, let me just select GP3. Now let's click on launch instance. Okay guys, so as you can see guys, our instance is in the running state now. So let me just try to SSH into it. So let's open PuTTY. Let me just copy the IP address of this server. Let's put it here. Let's select the SSH key. Okay guys, so the SSH key would be WordPress EFS. This is what we selected at the time of launch of our instance. So click on open. So we would log in as EC2-user, which is the default username for the Amazon Linux 2 AMI. So okay guys, so as you can see that we have successfully SSH into our instance with the WordPress key, that is WordPress EFS, that we selected at the time of launch of our instance. Now here comes the thing guys, that let's imagine you have lost that key pair WordPress EFS. So how you will now SSH into your instance? So this is what I will show you now. So for that, let's just go to key pairs. Where is it? Key pairs. Click on create new key pair. So here I would type as SSH new key pair. The key pair type would be RSA, PBK, fine, create key pair. So you can see guys, the new key pair has been successfully downloaded into my computer. Okay, so now let's go to our EC2 instance. Select it in the instance state. Let's stop the instance. Okay, now let's wait for a few seconds for the instance to be in the stopped state. Okay guys, so as you can see, our instance is in now stopped state. So now let's select our instance, go to actions, instance settings, click on edit user data. And here we would just copy paste the script. I will provide you that script in the description. So let's paste it here. Okay, now let's open PuTTY Gen. Okay, you can easily download this software from Google. Click on load. So here we would load the new key pair that we would like to attach to our EC2 instance. Okay, so now let's click on open. Okay guys, so basically what we did now is that we extracted the public key from this private key that we generated from the EC2 console. Okay, so now let's select this key pair. This is the public key of our private key. Let's close it now. Okay, so in the username we will type the default username of our AMI, which was EC2-user, and in the public key pair let's paste that. Okay, so now let's click on save. Okay, fine. So now let's start our instance again. Okay guys, now let's wait for some time. Okay guys, so our instance is in now running state. Now let me try to SSH into the same instance guys with the new key pair, okay, that we just selected. So Let me just copy the IPv4 address and SSH authentication. Sorry. So basically I am first selecting the SSH keypair. So this is the new keypair that we just attached to our EC2 instance. And in the session, let's put the IP address, open, accept, EC2-user. Okay, boom guys. So here you can see that our new keypair, which was SSH new keypair, has been successfully attached to our Linux EC2 instance, guys. Okay, so if I just click here, let me show you the details. So here you can see, guys, in the keypair name, the keypair is our initial keypair was WordPress EFS, but now we have successfully replaced this WordPress EFS keypair with the SSH new keypair. So that's it, guys. And one last thing which you would have to do, that you would have to remove that script from the user data. Okay, so for that, let's just again stop our instance. Okay, now let's wait for few seconds for the instance to be in the stopped state. Okay guys, our instance has been successfully stopped now. So let's now go to actions, instance settings, edit user data. So now let's remove this script from here, guys, and click save. And now let's again launch this instance. So it is very important, guys, that you remove the script after you have successfully changed the SSH key pair, because if you would not do that, then each time you would stop and start the instance, this script will execute. Okay, so basically we do not want that, and from a security point of view, it is also a very bad practice to put your public key in the user data of the EC2 instance. Okay, so you can see our instance is now again in the running state. So just to show you that nothing changed after removing the script from the user data, let's just again log into our SSH into our instance. So let me just grab the IP address from here. Let's paste it here. Now let's again select the SSH key pair, open, accept, EC2-user. Okay guys, so you see we have now again successfully launched SSH into our EC2 instance. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button, comment on the video if you have any question, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.